Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about regulation of water intake. Hypothalamus play an important role in water intake. Two major factors that affect water intake are plasma osmolality, extracellular fluid volume. Extracellular fluid volume mainly blood volume. Okay. Hypothalamus respond to change in both these factors. Hypothalamus responds to both these factors. Hypothalamus is the major thrust center in the brain. Hypothalamus is the major thrust center in the brain. Okay. OVLT and SFO are hypothalamic areas that respond to thrust. Okay. These are extra hypothalamic parts. Okay, these are extra hypothalamic parts. OVLT means organum vasculosum of lamina terminalis. SFO, subfornical organ. Okay, subfornical. These structures present outside the blood brain barrier. Okay guys, these OVLT and SFO and some other area is area postrinum. Okay, these are the three areas present outside the blood brain barrier, and these organ vasculosum of lamina terminalis and subfornical area, subfornical organ are hypothalamic areas that respond to thrust. First, change in osmolality. Osmoreceptors are located in anterior hypothalamus. Osmoreceptor detect the change in osmolality of plasma. Hyperosmolality of plasma stimulates hypothalamus thrust center that increases water intake. Hyperosmolality of plasma stimulates hypothalamus thrust center that increases water intake. Hyperosmolality also increases antidiuretic hormone secretion that decreases loss of water in urine by increasing water reabsorption from kidney tubules. Hyperosmolality also increases antidiuretic hormone secretion that decreases loss of water in urine by increasing water reabsorption from kidney tubule. Next, change in fluid volume. Volume change is detected by volume receptors in the right and left atria and pulmonary vessels. Volume change is detected by volume receptors in the right and left atrium and pulmonary vessels. Hypovolemia. That means hypovolemia is nothing but decrease in blood volume. Hypo means low, volemia means it is about blood volume. Okay, hypovolemia, decrease in blood volume, increases secretion of renin from juxtaglomerular cells. Okay, increases secretion of renin from juxtaglomerular cells of kidney that in turn forms angiotensin II. Angiotensin II is a strong dipsogen. Dipsogen is a substance that stimulates thrust. All stimulates organum vasculosum lamina terminalis and subfornical organ to increase water intake. See once again, volume changes is detected by volume receptors in the right and left atria and pulmonary vessels. Hypovolemia increase secretion of renin from juxtaglomerular cells of kidney that in turn forms angiotensin II. That in turn forms the angiotensin II. Angiotensin II is a strong dipsinogen. Dipsogen means nothing but It is a substance that stimulates the trust. All stimulates the OVLT and SFO to increase water intake. Okay guys, all this factor stimulates the OVLT and SFO to increase the trust. Clear guys? In next video we are going to learn about control of reproductive function. Okay, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.